Okay, my people, my name is Akpobaro, aka the Daddy Body Master.
Not be juju be that.
I am a very popular coffin maker and coffin seller. In fact, when it comes to coffin matter, now me be the #1, the champion in the whole of Warri.
This man!
Hey boy, if you see my coffins, to die go they hungry you.
Jesus!
Some people, they just feel like maybe they light down inside. Because I create the coffin in such a beautiful and cozy way. The ambience alone, you go trip. So my people, they do sales, so promo they go on now. Buy 3, get 1 free.
You get wish.
Yes. No wait till your loved ones buy before you begin rush, go they buy. Buy their coffin down now.
It is smoky, boo.
My major selling point for this business be say, in my 20 years in this business, nobody wey they bury inside any of my coffin would ever go hellfire.
You be mumu.
My coffin gives you automatic visa to heaven. I go lie for you.
Wetin dey worry this one? Who be this one?
The master that taught me this coffin work, he has gone to the great beyond. He don't pass on. Like 11 years ago, we lost him. But what he taught me, he's still feeding me till today.
5 years of madness.
Like my brother, Victor Isibor will always say, the master can die, but the skill they taught you will remain alive and will be passed to generations yet unborn. I don't they teach my children.
Hello, my people. My name is Ejike Muwa Nnajiuba. I am a carpenter. This is the work that put food on my table. This is the work that I use to build my house in the village. This is also the work that is helping to send my children to school. I have 2 undergraduates in higher institution. So this work has really helped me. The person that taught me this work was my late father. It is very painful because I lost my father about 13 years ago. But my father's legacy still lives on because the work that he taught me that time is what is helping me today. So like my brother Victor Isibor will always say, the master can die, but the work lives on, and it is passed down to generations yet unborn. Hey there, my name is Chris. They call me Chris the Chris. I'm a Benz mechanic. When it comes to Mercedes-Benz, Omo, I the Chris. That's why they call me Chris the Chris.
Wetin dey worry this one? Who
My
be this
job
one?
as a Benz mechanic puts food on the table for me and makes sure that I send my children to school, and it helps me to pay the rent.
What's going on here?
My master who taught me this job passed on many years ago, but guess what? The skill still pays the bills. Like Victor Isibor would always say, the master can die, but the skill will be passed on to generations yet unborn.
Hey guys, it's your girl Tolakbo, the Dollar Queen. Welcome back to my Dolly's podcast. So a subscriber of mine asked, how did you become a talkative? Well, I learned from my late mom. My late mom could not see something and keep quiet. Her mouth was leaking. Tell my mom your secret and you will hear it on national TV the very next day. Now, how did she die? So she was traveling on a public transport. So apparently she was talking and distracting the driver with her too much talk. That was how they had an accident too, and all the passengers died.
Sorry.
It's been 5 years since my mom passed on, but the talkative spirit she gave to me is still paying my bills today. I talk for a living. I'm a content creator, and my podcast is about the biggest in the country. So in the words of Victor Isibor, the master may die, but the skills they teach you will be passed on to the next generation.
My friend, if armed robbers were to burst into your apartment all of a sudden, armed to the teeth, do you know that they can take away all your money, all your cars, all your jewelry, in fact, all your material possessions? But there's only one thing they cannot take away from you: your skill. The handwork or skill that helped you to acquire those things can never be taken away from you. What that means is, if they take away everything that you have, with that your skill or handwork, you can recover them back in little or no time. That website, that project that you have invested money in and is paying you ROI, my brothers and sisters, one day it will crash. I go lie for you. But you see that website or project that teaches you a high income skill, even if the website were to disappear tomorrow, will they disappear with the skills that you have already learned and mastered? No. Bros, wetin you want learn today? There are tech and programming courses, business and entrepreneurship courses, education courses, teacher development courses, marketing courses, finance and money courses, children and parenting courses, agricultural courses, name them. I can hook you up with an academy that can teach you all these skills at an affordable rate. Shikini money.
Let's have it.
The most interesting part is, while you are learning, you are also making money for yourself. Earning while learning. And you get a certificate that is valid, that can get you jobs globally. There is also a Forex and Crypto Academy that don't only teach you the deep secrets of the markets, they give you trade signals that are easy to follow. They also give you capital to trade with so that you don't risk your own money in the market. My brother, true wealth is not in material things, so it is in knowledge and skill. That is why if a rich man were to lose all that they had today, it's only a matter of time. With that skill and knowledge they have, they will recover everything. But you see poor people, give them all the wealth in the whole world. Go and check on them a few years' time. They do not even have the knowledge or skill to even retain that money. That is why you see a lot of lottery and bet winners become poor again after a few months. So the difference between a rich man and a poor man is not the Ferrari. It is not the jewelry. It is not the cash. It is in knowledge and in skill sets. Do you know that there are people who work from home and they earn well over $20,000 on a monthly basis? How? Because they have the knowledge and the skill sets. In your traditional educational system, it is until you graduate before you start making money from what you are learning. But in this particular case, this academy allows you to make money while you are learning. Timaya was not high when he said, "All the money where I get, I wanna hold it. I don't wanna go to the club one night and blow it, yeah. Best investment on yourself, oh."
This man!
In short, not too much time for long talk or cho-cho-cho. Look in the description of this video, join the WhatsApp groups. Links to Zoom meetings will be posted. Join those Zoom meetings and you will be wowed. I'll see you on the other side. If you are watching this video, they say I should tell you something very important. They say I should come and tell you that fisherman that always gives you fish, they say I should tell you that one day you will go to his house and his family will tell you that he is dead. Yes. So who are you collecting fish from, my people? Is it a website that is giving you ROI? One day it will crash. Is it a family member or friend? One day they will stop. They will get fed up of you and they will stop giving you fish. Wake up. Go and learn how to fish today to avoid hunger tomorrow. Every single material thing you have can be taken away from you. But you see your skill, you see your know-how, it stays with you forever. A word is enough for the wise. My name is Victor Isibor. Bye-bye.